Hey there! Financial Frontier here to chart your path to financial frontier, and today we are continuing series on how famous entrepreneurs became rich. Jordan Peterson, Part 4. Jordan Peterson is a Canadian clinical psychologist, cultural critic, and professor of psychology at the University of Toronto. He has become a popular figure in the world of academia and beyond, with millions of followers on social media and a best-selling book, 12 Rules for Life. In this video, we will discuss how Jordan Peterson became famous, drawing on his own words and the insights of those who have studied his rise to fame. Early life and education. Jordan Peterson was born on June 12, 1962, in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. He grew up in a small town in northern Alberta and showed an early interest in books and learning. Peterson attended the University of Alberta, where he received his bachelor's degree in political science in 1982. He went on to earn his PhD in clinical psychology from McGill University in 1991. His early life and education laid the foundation for his future success. Academic career. Jordan Peterson began his academic career as an assistant professor at Harvard University in 1993. He later returned to Canada and joined the faculty of the University of Toronto in 1998, where he became a full professor in 2003. Peterson's academic career focused on the study of personality psychology, abnormal psychology, and social psychology. He became well-known in academic circles for his research on personality and his ability to communicate complex ideas in an accessible way. YouTube and social media. Jordan Peterson's rise to fame can be attributed, in part, to his presence on social media. Peterson began posting videos of his lectures on YouTube in 2013, which quickly gained a large following. His lectures covered a wide range of topics, including psychology, philosophy, politics, and religion. Peterson's YouTube channel now has over 3 million subscribers, and his videos have been viewed over 200 million times. His presence on social media has allowed him to connect with a wider audience and share his ideas with the world. Controversy and media attention. Jordan Peterson's rise to fame has not been without controversy. He has been criticized for his views on gender, free speech, and political correctness. Peterson has been vocal in his opposition to what he sees as the suppression of free speech on college campuses and in the broader culture. This has led to him being labeled as a controversial figure by some media outlets. However, this controversy has also brought him a great deal of media attention, which has only helped to increase his popularity. Best-selling book. Jordan Peterson's best-selling book, 12 Rules for Life, was published in January 2018. The book offers practical advice on how to live a meaningful life, drawing on Peterson's expertise in psychology, philosophy, and religion. The book became an instant bestseller, topping the charts in multiple countries. It has sold over 5 million copies worldwide, making it one of the most successful books in recent years. Influential ideas. Jordan Peterson's rise to fame can also be attributed to his influential ideas. He has been a vocal critic of postmodernism and Marxism, which he sees as a threat to Western civilization. Peterson has argued that individuals must take responsibility for their own lives and that personal responsibility is the key to a meaningful life. He has also emphasized the importance of traditional values, such as respect for authority and the importance of family. In addition to these ideas, Peterson has also praised the benefits of taking care of oneself, both physically and mentally. He has spoken extensively about the importance of good nutrition, regular exercise, and proper sleep, all of which contribute to better mental and physical health. Peterson has also promoted the benefits of psychological therapy, encouraging people to seek help when they need it. Public speaking. Jordan Peterson's rise to fame can also be attributed to his public speaking engagements. Peterson has traveled the world giving lectures on a wide range of topics. He has spoken to sold-out audiences in the United States, Canada, and Europe. His speaking engagements have allowed him to connect with his followers in a more personal way and share his ideas with a wider audience. Self-help guru. Jordan Peterson has also been praised as a self-help guru. His book, 12 Rules for Life, has been embraced by many people as a guide to living a better life. Peterson's emphasis on personal responsibility and traditional values has resonated with many people who are searching for meaning and purpose in their lives. Peterson has become a mentor to many of his followers, who see him as a guide to living a more meaningful life. Conclusion. In conclusion, Jordan Peterson's rise to fame can be attributed to a combination of factors, including his early life and education, his academic career, his presence on social media, his controversial views, his best-selling book, his influential ideas, his public speaking engagements, and his status as a self-help guru. Jordan Peterson has become a household name and a prominent figure in the world of academia and beyond. His ideas have sparked debate and controversy, but they have also resonated with many people who are searching for meaning and purpose in their lives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one.